Well, hi there, South Florida, and a good Monday morning to you. Happy Labor Day as well. I'm meteorologist Luke Doris, and we're going to talk about your Labor Day. First, though, let's give you the update with Hurricane Irma and what it is doing, what it looks to do next. At the moment, it is a Category 3 hurricane centered 625 miles east of the Leeward Islands, winds to 115 miles per hour, gusts to 140, and moving west-southwest at 14 miles per hour. That southwest component is important because it's been doing that here recently, and it may continue to do that as we go forward in the cone. So approaching the Leeward Islands by Wednesday as a Category 4 hurricane, increasing in strength and maintaining that strength over the next several days beyond. So Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, and the Bahamas all included in the forecast cone, as is Cuba. Note the further south track that we have on that forecast cone now, and that, by the way, is Saturday, next Saturday, with the Category 3 toward the end of this forecast cone. So all those areas need to be on high alert, and in Florida we could see a threat from this storm. It's still too far out to determine those exact tracks, but it's one that you should probably dust off your prep plans for, know what to do. Okay, back here for today for your Labor Day. It doesn't look bad, but we could see a few showers around, especially this morning. We go deeper through the forecast. Things pretty typical Tuesday and Wednesday. Some isolated rain is possible. More rain looks to roll in by the time we get to the later part of the week, and it all depends on exactly how Irma tracks for how next weekend looks. Have a great holiday.